Yes, good morning. This is your teacher, Daddy Cause. This morning we'll be looking at carbon, an introduction to carbon. Carbon is a non-metal on group 4 in the periodic table, and you see carbon as graphite or diamond naturally. Carbon also exists as coal, wood, and natural gases in the combined form. You can also find carbon in limestone. Limestone is calcium tricarbonate 4. In dolomite is magnesium carbonate, and in carbon dioxide in the air. So carbon exists in those combined form. Carbon is the sixth element in the periodic table, and it has 6 protons and 6 neutrons. Carbon atom has 4 valence electrons. The allotropes of carbon are majorly graphite and diamond. Those are the crystalline allotropes of carbon. What do we mean by allotropy? Allotropy is a situation whereby a single element can exist in more than one form, yet in the same physical state. When a single element can exist in more than one form in the same physical state, you say the element is exhibiting allotropy. Take for example, those acting theatre. Look at Faust, for example. You know Faust. Faust can do theatre. Faust can also sing. Now, you can say that Faust is exhibiting 2 different characters in the same state. Is a human being that is acting and also at the same time a song artist. So Faust is still one person but appearing in different characters. So you can say that Faust is exhibiting allotropy. Element also behaves like that, though not all elements. Some selected element behaves like that, and carbon is part of them. Carbon as an element can exist in more than one form, that is, can exist in different form in the same physical state. For example, carbon can exist as diamond. That shining diamond that you are looking at is carbon, and carbon can also exist as a graphite. That very dull compound, very dull element or substance is also carbon. Now see carbon appearing in a shining graphite, in a shining diamond, and in a dull colored graphite. One singular carbon. That is called allotropy. When elements have the ability to exist in different form in the same physical state, you call that allotropy. Not only carbon can exhibit allotropy, we also have elements like sulfur, like tin, and phosphorus. They also exhibit allotropy. So that is the meaning of allotrope. But in this course, we'll be talking about the allotropes of carbon. And the major allotropes of carbon are graphite and diamond. So I've mentioned that those are graphite and diamond. We also have amorphous allotropes. That is, amorphous means something that looks like powder, something without a regular shape. So we have some allotropes of carbon that doesn't have regular shape, like coal, like coke, like Lampblack, the one that normally appears at the roof of lantern. You will not know it, you are a new generation student. Then we also have Caco. So those are the allotropes of carbon. So we'll continue our video in the next section. Thank you.